If you are still opening 10 different browser tabs, copying and pasting data, and synthesizing research manually, you are working like it is 2024. Today, we are building an autonomous research agent stack. This isn't about asking a chatbot a question. This is about deploying a multi-agent workflow that hunts down web sources, filters out the noise, and delivers a complete strategic brief while you sleep. If you want to know how to eliminate hours of manual data collection, let's break down the system. You get an answer, and you manually check its work. That's a linear trap. An autonomous agent works differently. You give it a high-level objective, like analyze the top trends in AI productivity tools and compile a source-backed report, and the agent breaks that goal down into sub-tasks. It searches the web, evaluates source credibility, corrects its own search queries when it hits a dead end, and structures the final output without human intervention. This is the foundation of modern technical workflows. Step number 1 is defining your agent objective with strict constraints. When configuring a research agent, vague instructions lead to generic internet noise. You need to give the system a strict role, explicit boundaries, and an output schema. For example, instruct the agent, act as an expert technical researcher. Your goal is to gather primary source data, verify timestamps, and exclude low-quality blog spam. By establishing a rigid prompt framework up front, you prevent the agent from hallucinating. Step number 2. Let the multi-step research loop run. Instead of a single query, an agentic workflow executes a sequence. It runs query A, reads the top 3 results, identifies missing data points, and automatically generates query B and query C to fill the gaps. While the agent is gathering information across the web, your job shifts from manual laborer to editor. You aren't hunting for links, you are supervising the synthesis engine. This cuts hours of multi-tab browsing down, which brings us to the final step, formatting and deployment. Raw research is useless if it just sits in a chat window. The final part of an automated agent workflow is structuring the output into a clean, standardized format, like a Markdown executive summary or a Notion database entry, and pushing it directly where you need it. Once your workflow is dialed in, you trigger a deep dive research task with one click, walk away, and return to a fully organized brief. Automating your research isn't about doing less work, it's about multiplying your leverage so you can focus on high-level execution. Try setting up your first multi-agent research workflow this week, and let me know in the comments what task you automated first. If you want more deep dives into autonomous workflows and advanced tech tools, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.